Hello, this video walks you through how to do step 10 of the production planning and execution case study. So in step 10, it tells you to go to logistics, materials management, inventory management, goods movement, and goods movement. Then it says to make sure you choose goods receipt and other. And enter movement type 561. So you put the 561 here. And put today's date as the document and posting date. So that's today's date. It's already there. Then press enter. So we'll press enter. And this is if necessary. Okay. I'll confirm. So in the goods receipt other screen, so as you can see, we're in the goods receipt other screen. Enter the following data. Each one of these 10 materials are components that you will need later on in the production order. Note all materials are stored in the raw materials storage location, Dallas, except the touring wheel assembly, the semi-finished goods. So this is where we need to enter the data. If this material field is gray, click on the minus sign in the detailed data. So if it's gray, you can click on that, and that should help you be able to enter it. So I will enter this data for my user ID. So the first thing we have is TRWA1, and then my user data is 110. And I need 500, and storage location, semi-finished goods area. Okay. And then we enter in TRFR3110. Oops. Mistake there. TRFR3110. And I need 500 of those, and that's stored in the raw materials warehouse. And then we enter DGAM, raw materials warehouse, and it's a TRSK1110, 500, and raw materials warehouse. TRHB1110, 500, raw materials warehouse. Pedal. 500, tunes warehouse, and CHAN, the chain, 100, materials warehouse, it's the bracket. So, as you can see, It's not letting me enter anything more, so I'm going to hit enter. And when this happens, just hit OK. Oh, sorry, what? Double click on the Dallas. It's always the Dallas plant you want, so just keep clicking on Dallas plant. Okay, so as you can see, now that we've got that entered, now I can enter the last two. Okay, so now let's hit enter. And again, double click, choose the Dallas plant every time. So we should have, I'm just going to double check I have everything right. So the touring wheel assembly. I want to make sure that they're in the right location. So that touring wheel assembly, semi-finished goods, touring red frame, raw materials, derailleur gear assembly, touring seat kit, touring handlebar, pedal assembly, chain, brake kit, warranty document, and packaging. So I have everything. Okay, so that is good. So they're on the Dallas warehouse. I make sure everything looks the same as it should. And once you see everything that's there, you can click on Post. And there's a material document, so make sure you record that because you want to put that in your submission folder. So click on OK and exit. So that's how you do step 10.